gonna make some Ricardo cake. You're gonna start with some crushed pineapple. Just pour the whole thing in there, liquid and everything. Just plop it on in there. Okay, then we're gonna take 1/4 cup of oil and just splatter it on the top there. We're getting our wet ingredients going first. Then we got 2 eggs, 2 country eggs, straight from Kentucky. Just, make sure they're all good and not spoiled or nothing. Kind of beat them together for a minute. Wow, that's pretty good and well beaten. Get that in there. All right, now that we got all our wet ingredients, gonna mix those together. Make sure they're nice and submerged together. Kind of mixed up. Let's start with the dry ingredients. So we got 2 cups of sugar. Boom, cover the whole thing. So let's mix that in first before we add the others. 2 cups of flour. Oop, if it'll come out. Come on. Self-rising flour, people. This is self-rising, in case you're wondering. So not just regular. All right, and finally, we're gonna add 1/2 cup of pecans. I say pecans, Kim says pecans. You probably say pecan, right? What do y'all say? It's the age-old controversy. Mix those in there. We're gonna take these ingredients, mixed well together, put them in a 13 by 9 greased dish. Okay, I don't want to get yelled at by y'all. Make sure I scrape all the stuff out. Kim taught me well. All right. Now we're gonna take this over to the oven. We got it set at 350 for 30 minutos. All right, let's look at this Ricardo cake.
Wow, that's a nice golden
Nice
color.
golden brown. Yep, it's looking real nice. Come on, give me a good look at that.
Look at that.
Oh yeah. So we'll just let it cool down for a minute and come back and try it. All right, and to top it off, we got a little homemade cream cheese frosting.
Oh, look at that.
We used for another recipe that we're gonna just put it over the top there. All right, let's take a little bite. This Ricardo cake. Ooh, nice. I got a pecan in there.
There we go.
That's pretty good.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.